Okay, so this is the review of the Harmony 783 men's slippers. This is their introduction line right here. I didn't want to spend $200 on their upper shoes because I wanted to make sure that these were going to work. I have a voltmeter right here, a fluke one. I'm going to turn it back to ohms. We're going to put the two terminals together. That's our baseline right there, about 0.2 ohms. Okay. I'm going to check the first one right here. This is the only pad that allegedly has grounding. So let me put both of these and look at the voltmeter. Okay, we got about 1.7 on there. It's swinging all over the place, and I just want to show you right here. I have both of these connected together. I'll do the other sandal just in case there was a quality control issue with this, essentially this plug that they have. So let me connect both sides right there, and you can see this one's just going all over the place. There's not any consistency. And then I was real skeptical, so I pulled out one of these plugs right here, okay? And I thought to myself, what does this have? Look at this shit. It absolutely has nothing inside there. No metal core. You know, allegedly from this advertisement right here, it says that it has carbon and rubber compound embedded into durable rubber shoes, and somehow this will ensure electrical contact between you and the earth. Well, there's nothing inside here besides rubber. This is just a rubber plug right here. And what's really frustrating is that for $10, for this sandal right here with some copper rivets that I installed, this sandal actually works better than these Harmony 783s. So I'm going to show you right here with the multimeter. Okay, I'm going to go to this copper rivet. I'm going to connect that. I'm going to connect it over here. Let me get that together and look at the voltmeter. 0.2. It's steady. Look at that. The same base. I'll show you guys again. I'm holding this down. I'm getting the other side of this. And then if you see the multimeter, the $10 sandal beats these $40 sandals that allegedly are supposed to ground your feet. So I don't know what Harmony 783 is doing, but they're definitely not making any product that they're advertising. This is total trash. Okay.